In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how kidneys work, the importance of taking care of your kidneys. So, just a quick disclaimer before we start. I'm not a doctor, so any advice you get from here should not replace your doctor's advice. So, how do kidneys work? We all know that you have two kidneys, each about the size of an adult fist. Your kidneys are located on either side of the spine, just below the rib cage. One of the most important functions of your kidneys is to clean the blood, because when the blood flows through your body, it picks up chemicals and fluids that are not good for your body. The kidneys separate the fluids and chemicals that are not good for your body, and they move out of your body in the form of urine. So in other words, kidneys, they make urine. They create urine, and they create that urine from the chemicals and the fluids that are in your body. So your kidneys help to remove waste and excess fluids. Your kidneys also filter the blood, keeping some compounds while removing the others. So when the blood flows, it picks up a lot of chemicals and toxic fluids. Some of those fluids, it keeps them. Some of them, it takes them out. That's one thing to remember when we're talking about kidneys. And when you have a kidney problem, you might not have enough red blood cells. So it is important to take care of your kidney so that you can be able to have enough red blood cells. When you take care of your kidneys, that will enable the reproduction of red blood cells. As we all know that red blood cells help us in terms of taking oxygen from the lungs to other body parts. So some of your body parts, well, all of your body parts need oxygen. So when you don't have enough oxygen uh, flowing through to other body parts, that can be a problem. So you need to take care of your kidney health so that you can be able to have enough red blood cells that flow and take oxygen to other body parts. So taking care of your kidney health is very important. It's very important. Your kidney health is very important because your blood depends on it. Depends on it. In order for your blood to be clean, your kidney has to be taken care of. You have to have a good kidney health. And if your kidney health is not good, you won't have enough red blood cells, like I said before. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you want to know more about health related issues about kidneys, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.